Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. And here business card, mega bundle for Adobe Illustrator and some files for Photoshop. But these are protected. First you need subscription. Go to sherryskpwd.com. Just one time payment for lifetime access on my old file. And here my new store for web designer, web developer or graphic designer. You can buy monthly plan or just purchase single file. Okay, here 81 folder. You see here AI EPS file with different color. Back side, front side. Both are EPS file. Here business card with three different color: yellow, red and blue. Same thing here, three different color with different design. And same thing. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.